A Kaunos decentralized exchange is a peer-to-peer and community-based decentralized exchange. Basically, that enable users to exchange cryptocurrencies in a secure and free environment. By using Kaunos DEX services, each user can exchange his/her digital assets to other cryptocurrencies or even to fiat money. Kaunos DEX is run and operated by Kaunos OU, which is a company registered in Estonia. Okay, welcome back guys to another episode of Expert Studio. In this video, I'm going to share each and everything regarding the Kaunos Exchange DEX. What is Kaunos Exchange DEX, and secondly, what is the fuel token of this exchange? So before moving on, kindly do me a favor and subscribe our channel Expert Studio and also press the bell icon so you are not going to miss any of the major update regarding crypto especially. First of all, I will tell you the major things. For example, if you want to trade anything, you don't need to do you don't need to complete the KYC. Only in one case, if you want to trade in the fiat currency, then you have to complete the KYC. And the main part which I love the most of, you can say, the Kaunos DEX is that user assets are not staying to the exchange or other individuals. Simply a wallet is created in the escrow system which acts as an intermediary account, which is called a multi-sig wallet with three distinct the private keys, each for one side of the contract. Okay, one for the buyer, one for the seller, and one for the escrow agent. So that is such a great thing. Here comes all the major features of this exchange, the Kaunos Exchange. The peer-to-peer, the second one is fiat money support. As I told you that you can even trade with the fiat money with your own crypto. Basically not the cryptocurrency, with your own currency, with your fiat money. You can even trade on Kaunos Exchange DEX. But the major thing is this: for this main, you can say the main service of this with the fiat, the trading of the fiat, you must have to complete your KYC first. And the third one is fast and secure contracts, and then the user scores new offer alarm. What is this? I will basically specify the major thing regarding the new offer alarm. Then the real-time chat, the Kaunos services, great sport plan packages. First of all, what are the packages of them? First of all, here you can see it by yourself: silver, emerald, golden, platinum, and diamond. They are giving you number of packages and you must have to choose one, because here you can see minimum deposit, no deposit required. So that is such a great thing. Okay, so if you are going to apply for this, basically your trades will boost up. They are offering such a great thing, and as per my point of view, at this time not any exchange is offering the same services like this. Now the main thing regarding the Kaunos DEX. What is DEX? Trade all major cryptocurrencies in a blockchain based peer-to-peer platform. Kaunos decentralized exchange in all, you can say all in one platform for trading cryptocurrencies. The users can sell a wide variety of their cryptocurrencies or take measure in buying directly from other different users via offer board at Kaunos. At this time, you have the chance to basically trade all the cryptocurrencies very easily on this platform. Limitless trading, the most secure way to do the trades, supporting all, you can say, the major all the major cryptos of the world, involving in the trades via fiat currencies. So you have chance to trade with all the currencies and also with the cryptocurrencies. So it is such a great thing. And right now here you can see it by yourself. Claim your free Kaunos coin. Install the Kaunos wallet, claim free Kaunos coin, try your luck in our $10,000 lottery every 6 months. Wow, that is such a great thing. Basically right now they also have, you can say, the mobile app. So if you want to use the Kaunos Exchange DEX, you can easily download the mobile app on the Google Play and also on the App Store, and you can use this exchange very easily. And even you can use this exchange directly here on the web, because it is entirely very easily. And right now here you can see the trade cryptocurrencies in 248 countries. It means from all the countries you have the chance to basically trade the Kaunos coin and also the other cryptocurrencies with the help of Kaunos Exchange. Now, what is Kaunos platform all about? That is such a great thing. The Kaunos platform is an online peer-to-peer platform with a wide variety of financial services which meets sophisticated online financial demands of Kaunos users. The platform supplies some of the most innovative cryptocurrencies across the world. So that is such a great thing regarding this platform. They already have one coin, which is basically you can call it the basically you can call this coin the Kaunos coin as a fuel token of the Kaunos DEX. Here you can see an introduction to Kaunos. Okay, what is basically the main introduction of the Kaunos? The Kaunos coin, the first public offering of a decentralized cryptocurrency. Kaunos coin applying script algorithm, which is you can say a similar to that of Litecoin. A total of only 16,800 and 000. The Kaunos coins units have already been mined. The residual amount is open to be mined by the users worldwide with a technical cap at 2100. Oh, wow, that is such a great that is such a great thing. Kaunos X is a coin which has been developed according to the newest version of Litecoin. This coin is introduced with the purpose of offering the latest most popular services in cryptocurrencies payment. And the Kaunos Cash. Okay, there will be a number of basically the Kaunos the cash available. The value of the respective coin directly links with the currency denominated in Switzerland CHF and its nominal value at 20 CHF per unit. So these are the major things regarding the Kaunos platform. It is not only the simple cryptocurrency, they are basically a whole firm, and you have the chance to use all the services very easily. And I will even show you one thing more. Basically, it is not only about the Kaunos DEX. I will show you something more here. You can also find the link of the coin market cap, so you can basically easily go and inspect each and everything regarding regarding the Kaunos DEX trade, and also regarding the Kaunos coin, because the coin is also available on the coin market cap, and you can see it by yourself. CCXX, basically the price of this token is right now $20.4. so these are the major things regarding the Kaunos DEX. Here you can see the major thing that right now it is available on the coin market cap, and very soon you'll be able to see all the data and all the tokens which are available on this exchange. If you like this video, kindly hit the like button and also share this video with some of your friends so they can even take advantage from this exchange, Kaunos decentralized exchange. As I told you again and again, that the major part of this exchange is this, that all the funds which you are carrying, that will be stored in a multi-sig wallet, so everything will be in your hands. Thanks a lot.